Hi everyone. One of the important paper that is on 5th of January. So there are many people who are very concerned about. Some of them were not able to score very high in CAT. Some of them really did very well, but they want to put in equal efforts in XAT. So there are few points that you need to take care of it. The first very important point is time is not an important constraint here. तो टाइम बहुत है. ये एक ऐसा पेपर है. You will get 26 question in VA, RC and logical reasoning. 21 question will be there in decision making and 28 question will be there in quant and DI. तो पेपर 170 minutes मतलब 10 मिनट कम है 3 घंटे में. This much time is given for these 3 sections. तो पेपर कैसे अटेम्प्ट करें? The first and foremost important thing is this is the paper that you consider to be 2 hours paper. So जो आता है वो करो. So you try question. If you are able to answer it is absolutely fine. If you don't, please move on. Don't waste your time on that. Most of the times what happens is people spend a lot of time on one question thinking that enough time is given to the paper, and that's why it is seen that many of them are not even able to see the last question there in the paper. तो करना क्या है? करना ये है कि मैं 2 घंटे के पेपर के टाइम के हिसाब से 40 मिनट्स के हिसाब से डिसाइड करूंगा. इन फर्स्ट 40 मिनट्स आई टेक VARC जितना होता है लॉजिकल रीजनिंग में करूंगा. नहीं होता है विल मूव टू द सेकंड वन. फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग सेकंड के लिए तो 40 मिनट्स भी नहीं चाहिए. विद इन 30 to 35 मिनट्स यू विल बी एबल टू आंसर ऑल द क्वेश्चन. मेक श्योर दैट यू आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द PYQ प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर. डिसीजन मेकिंग के लिए उससे अच्छा कोई सोर्स नहीं है. पिछले 10 साल के अगर आपने डिसीजन मेकिंग के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करें, ट्रस्ट मी यू विल गेट अराउंड 16 to 17 क्वेश्चंस करेक्ट, व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गेट अ वेरी हाई परसेंटाइल इन दैट. ये करने के बाद which I said 30 to 35 minutes is the time, but you can still consider the 40 minutes to be time. Then move to the quantitative aptitude and data interpretation. Wonderful topic. You will be finding the questions. Some of the questions are very tough. If you stuck to them, trust me, you will not be able to complete it on time. So you need to just select the easier question. जो question आसान है उसको select करो, उसको solve करो. The moment you are able to answer all of these questions, 2 hours is passed, or it may be possible अभी 10 मिनट और आपको चाहिए तो कोई बात नहीं. 2 hours and 10 minutes is the time that you can take. क्योंकि quant DI will be taking little longer. Once 2 hours or 2 hours 10 minutes you complete that period, now come back to the topic that you are feeling is you are not comfortable with, or there are some questions which are moderate or tough question, you want to attempt those questions. This should be strategy, and if you look at it, you are going to give around 20 minutes to one, 20 maybe 5-10 minutes to the second section, and finally 20 minutes to the last one. So 170 minutes will be utilized through this way. The second important point, once you are through with this, a GK portion will come in. So GK 10 questions, 20 questions, 10 minutes. If you know the answer, mark on it. If you don't know, leave them. But many a time it is match the following questions are there. So for example, there is the first part. If you are able to match only 2 of them, 70% of the time it is seen that only 2 of them are matched, you are able to get the answer. But many a time it may create a conflict, so not to worry, but whatever is the best that you think, you need to mark on that. एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज, many of the people are concerned कि क्वेश्चन छोड़ने में नेगेटिव मार्किंग है. That is negligible. So please don't mark wrong answer because there will be a major penalty on the negative score. So please make sure if you are not aware about the answer, if you don't know what will be the correct answer, leave them blank. Don't worry because the similar situation will be there with the other student. आपने क्वेश्चन को रॉन्ग मार्क किया है, मैंने क्वेश्चन छोड़ दिया है, तो आपका स्कोर मुझसे कम ही होगा क्योंकि नेगेटिव ज्यादा बढ़ गया है. You need to consider that. So all the best for your XAT exam. Keep on working on these things. I would say please write down 2-3 mocks at least so that you'll be comfortable with it. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.